Intro: imagine the universe as a grand orchestra, countless stars, planets, and moons playing in harmony. Yet, one section of this cosmic performance has long puzzled astronomers: exoplanets. These are worlds beyond our solar system, hidden throughout the Milky Way. Among them lies one of the most intriguing of all, a planet that seems to mirror Earth so closely it's often called our planet's cosmic twin. This is Proxima B, orbiting the star Proxima Centauri just 4.2 light-years away. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, we are beginning to peel back its mysteries and ask bold questions about habitability, water, and even the possibility of life. To understand the scale of this search, picture the Milky Way's vastness. Over 1 trillion exoplanets may exist in our galaxy alone. If each planet were the size of a grain of sand, they wouldn't just fill the Grand Canyon, they'd form another canyon just as immense. Even more striking, about 1 in 5 of these planets may resemble Earth in size and composition, giving us a real chance of finding another world like our own. Add to this the countless moons orbiting these planets, possibly trillions, and the stage for life in the cosmos becomes unimaginably vast. The James Webb Space Telescope. At the heart of this exploration stands our most advanced tool, the James Webb Space Telescope. Its 6.5-meter mirror makes it nearly 3 times larger than Hubble's, allowing it to collect faint light from galaxies billions of years old while also capturing the delicate fingerprints of nearby exoplanets. What sets Webb apart is not only its power but its ability to use infrared detectors and spectrometers as cosmic forensics. By splitting light into its component wavelengths, Webb can reveal the chemical makeup of a planet's atmosphere, detecting water vapor, carbon molecules, or even oxygen. In short, it doesn't just observe worlds, it dissects them. This leap forward means that for the first time, astronomers can seriously investigate whether exoplanets could host life. JWST isn't just a telescope, it's a laboratory in orbit, capable of testing ideas once left to speculation. Proxima B, Earth's mysterious neighbor discovered in 2016, Proxima B quickly became a subject of fascination. Orbiting within its star's habitable zone, it may allow liquid water to exist on its surface, one of the key requirements for life as we know it. With conditions neither too hot nor too cold, it represents one of the most promising nearby candidates for habitability. To put its proximity into perspective, Proxima B is only 4.2 light-years away. If you could travel at the speed of light, you'd reach it in just over 4 years, remarkably close when compared to the universe's 93 billion light-year span. Yet, Proxima B is no simple twin. A day there lasts about 11 Earth days, meaning its light cycles stretch out in ways that could drastically affect its climate and any potential life. Imagine a sunrise that lingers for days and sunsets that bathe the landscape in golden light far longer than on Earth. For humans, such rhythms might reshape sleep, diet, and even biology. It's a world both familiar and alien at once. Signals, oddities, and the search for intelligence. Recently, JWST and other instruments have picked up unusual patterns of light and radio emissions from the Proxima system. Some researchers have suggested these could be technosignatures, possible signs of advanced technology. For a brief moment, the world held its breath. Had we finally detected evidence of another civilization? But as quickly as the signal appeared, it vanished. No repetition. No confirmation. Was it simply a natural phenomenon? A quirk of stellar activity? Or something far more profound, a fleeting whisper from intelligent beings? The debate remains unresolved, leaving us with tantalizing questions rather than answers. Harvard-led teams are now exploring new ways to search, including looking for artificial lights on the night sides of exoplanets, glowing patterns that might resemble cities. If such a discovery were made, it would be one of the most transformative moments in human history. Conclusion. The journey ahead. The James Webb Space Telescope has already proven itself to be more than just an astronomical instrument. It is a bridge between imagination and evidence, a doorway into epochs and places no human has ever witnessed. With every image, every spectrum, and every dataset, Webb peels back new layers of cosmic history. It doesn't simply show us the universe, it challenges us to rethink it. It forces us to confront questions that once lived only in the pages of philosophy, in the verses of poets, or in the dreams of science fiction visionaries. Among the countless worlds Webb may explore, Proxima B stands apart. Because of its proximity, it is not some unreachable star in the farthest reaches of space, but a neighbor just beyond the horizon of our solar system. Once only a mathematical possibility scribbled in research papers, Proxima B is now a tangible destination for our curiosity. Its atmosphere, its surface, its potential for water, all lie within reach of our instruments. What we discover there could ripple outward through biology, climate science, planetary physics, and even the deepest questions about the origins of life. In many ways, Proxima B is more than a planet. It is a mirror, one that reflects our own story back at us while offering a glimpse of what might yet be possible. And yet, the most profound revelation may not come in the form of a final answer, but in the pursuit itself. The strange signals, the flickers of unexplained light, the whispers of anomalies that appear and then fade. They remind us of a fundamental truth. Science is not a straight, well-lit path to certainty, but a winding journey through uncertainty. Every false lead sharpens our understanding. Every unexplained pattern fuels our imagination. Every dead end clears the way for deeper insight. The search is already a victory, because it proves something extraordinary about us. That we are willing to ask questions that stretch the very limits of human thought. The quest for life beyond Earth is not just about finding another world that looks like ours. It is about something far deeper. Discovering whether life itself is a cosmic inevitability, written into the fabric of physics and chemistry, or a fragile accident that happened only once, on a pale blue dot orbiting a modest star. If life proves common, then intelligence may also be scattered across the galaxy, like sparks glowing in the dark. If life is rare, if Earth is truly singular, then our responsibility becomes even greater, to protect, nurture, and sustain the only living world we know. We are standing at the threshold of what may be the most profound investigation humanity has ever attempted. The next generation of telescopes will probe further still, detecting fainter signals and unraveling more delicate spectra. Future spacecraft may sail beyond our solar system, carrying instruments to sample alien atmospheres directly. And perhaps, centuries from now, human explorers will stand on Proxima B's soil, watching its red sun rise over an alien horizon. The questions we ask today are laying the groundwork for journeys that will one day be real. But for now, our task is to listen. To be patient. To remain skeptical but also open to wonder. Because each step forward brings us closer to the realization that the universe is not a silent, empty stage. It is alive with mystery, structure, and meaning. The cosmos is not something separate from us. We are part of it, threads woven into its fabric, and by studying it, we are ultimately studying ourselves. The journey has only just begun. And with every revelation, whether it confirms our wildest hopes or humbles us with unexpected truths, we are reminded of something profound. That the act of searching itself is a declaration of who we are. A species bold enough to wonder, patient enough to test, and brave enough to look into the vast unknown. Humanity is ready. Ready to learn its place among the stars, and ready to embrace whatever answers the universe is willing to give.